Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu. How are you, students? First we recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, this is your vocabulary card. Vocabulary card. Today we are going to introduce new letter. Capital U, small u and its vocabulary. Beta, which letter is this? U. Capital U. Small u. Two sounds of u are given. U. The sound of u are a and u. The sound of u are a and u. You are upstairs. Upstairs. We go up by stairs. And we should say Allahu Akbar when we go upstairs. We go up by stairs and we should say Allahu Akbar when we go upstairs. U-turn. U-turn. This is a traffic symbol. This is a traffic symbol. You are unhappy. Unhappy. You are not coming to school and you are missing your school. It means you are unhappy. It means you are unhappy. You are under. Under. See, the cat is under the chair. The cat is under the chair. Unicycle. Unicycle. It has only one wheel. It has only one wheel. Okay, beta, repeat with me. You are upstairs. Upstairs. U-turn. U-turn. You are unhappy. Unhappy. You are under. Under. Unicycle. Unicycle. Okay, beta, you have to recognize capital letter U, small letter u. The sound of U are A and U. And learn its vocabulary. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.